Okay, this is part of the rear camera assembly. Notice that the camera now is installed. It's right over there. You can see it. Got a little blue sticker on it. The wire is coming back and routing up through here. We're going to tape that connection so we don't have any water leaking in. Then we took this screwdriver and we pounded the screwdriver in just a little bit that we can squeeze the tie wraps in so we can hold up the wire. It's just not tight yet, but I want to show you in advance that that screwdriver forces the fiberglass up just a little bit so we can squeeze the tie wrap into that little area there underneath that. See how the tie wraps are going under that metal bracket? Then when we get done, we'll pull the screwdriver out. It'll put tension back on the tie wraps to hold the tie wraps in place. Pretty cool, huh? Our camera wire comes up through the center of this hole here in the metal bracket. Now remember, this is 2019. You may not have this hole. Comes up then through this hole here, and here's the wire here hanging out. Got plenty of service loop. This is going to plug into the bottom of the DVR once we get to that point.